my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking to watch my video. Anyways, today we're doing the ponytail braided look using extensions. I'm basically going to give you a detailed step on how to do this hairstyle. And yeah, let's get right into the video. So I'll be using two hair extensions, which is, I just got this from the local beauty supply store. And then I also got this, which is quite a different color. It has more of like brown highlights, and the ends of my hair, it's a bit brown, so I had to get two packs of extensions. Oh, and guys, this is all under $3. If you don't need two extensions, this is just $1. Basically, what you want to do if you have curls is you want to brush out and detangle the ends. You want your hair to be really fluffy and all brushed out. Now you want to tie your hair all back. And I'll be going in with this extension. Okay, so this is how it looks like. It's pretty thin, so I'll be adding the second extension with the brown highlights. And you just use a hair tie to wrap it around the extension, so it kind of looks like this. So before we get into the braiding, I just want to wet my hair and get it more soft and easy to brush out. So yeah. I'll be using As I Am leave-in conditioner. You want to tie the extension to your hair and bring it to the front part of your face. And you want to part these extensions to 3 parts. So first bring a section from this side and then bring one from this side. So this is the extension and this is my hair, and you want it to be on top of your own hair. Now you want to go ahead and start braiding from the back. So all we're doing here is making sure that the extension covers my real hair in order to make it look as natural as possible. So you grab a piece and you basically just add on to your hair. Now you just want to keep adding on to the already braided hair. I know it's quite hard to see how I'm braiding my hair, but basically I wanted to show you guys how I add an extension whilst braiding. So you have this section and you put this together and you basically add it to the other section. I had to get off the camera because the ends were really tangled and I had to kind of like continue. I'm done with the braids. but as you can tell, there are some parts that are coming out. So I use a tiny bobby pin to just cover it up. So something like this. I know it's quite messy, but we are going to go over it. I usually sleek my hair after I braid out my ponytail, so I'm just going to go over with some water, and I'm using Curl and Style Milk from Shea Moisture, just a little bit. Just applying it to the whole braid. I'm going to get ready to show you guys the final look, and yeah, I'll be right back.